membrane to the dermis through small anchoring fibers. Ridge detail is consistently represented on the surface of the skin by means of cell proliferation, maturation, and replacement. Papillary ridges are immutable, perennial, do not change even after death up to the time when the skin perishes through decomposition. For example, the marks on the fingers of many Egyptian mummies still remain legible. The principle of individuality. Individuality of friction-rich skin falls under the larger umbrella of biological uniqueness. The individual traits are programmed by nature in DNA, which provides a blueprint for assembling proteins and direct cellular functions, leading to infinite variety, which is impossible to duplicate. However, genetics does not independently control the patterning on the friction-rich skin, which is affected by environmental factors like stresses and tension across the surface of growing fetal skin. The principle of individuality in fingerprints is strikingly manifested in case of monozygotic twins which have different fingerprints. In the last century, since fingerprinting was generally introduced, out of the millions of sets of prints that have been taken, no two individuals have been found to have the same fingerprints. It is not the shape of the print that is individuals, but rather the number, location, and shape of minutia. The principle of infallibility. Of all the methods of identification, fingerprinting alone has proved to be both infallible and feasible. Its superiority over the older methods has been demonstrated time after time. To date, the fingerprints of no two individuals have been found to be identical. Personal identification. The above discussed principles of fingerprints form the basis for personal identification in forensic examinations. One of the most valuable suggestions offered by Dr. H. Falls was his contention that fingerprints found at the scene of crime might serve to identify the criminal. Fingerprints have proved over time to be the most rapid, reliable, and cost-effective means to identify criminals and unknown deceased individuals. The two basic premises, persistency and individuality of the friction skin, have been scientifically validated over time through academic research and the work of experts in the field of fingerprints. Knowledge of the physical and natural scientific basis rather than observational data alone must be exhibited to explain why friction-rich skin is unique and why this uniqueness is permanent. Fingerprint experts should understand and be prepared to recite the philosophy of identification, define the methodology used in examinations, and explain the scientific basis of the permanence and uniqueness of friction-rich skin based upon empirical and scientific research data.